And it goes a little something like.
Alright, so I'm here. I cleaned my room. Room tour is about to happen. So let's just skip intros and get right into it. Okay, here's my door. You walk in through the door. Here I have this train conductor hat that I bought because of Harry Styles. Then I have this beret that I wore one time, but I should wear it more often. And then I have a purse here. So there's that. So let's move this way. So here I have a Polaroid wall. All these Polaroids have to be about years old. Probably like put them up like 2015. So then over here I have this little thing that says Harry Styles live in concert, and then I have a picture of Harry. And then below that I have a poster of Sia because I love Sia as well. So there's that. Yeah. Moving this way, I have my desk. Here I have my laptop. Then I have my sketchbook for art class. It's canvas that I wrote all the love H on because Harry Styles has me whipped, brother. Has me whipped. So, this desk I got from IKEA. You've probably seen it. It's pretty popular. Then I have a picture of Trixie Mattel. And then I have this piece of art that my sister made me because I dance. So, you know, and then here's my chair. My mom found it on the side of the road. Overview of what we looked at so far. Here it is. Okay, let's move this way now. Here I have my mirror where I get ready every morning. Let's plug in the lights, shall we? Have like the atmosphere, yeah. Nice. Cool. So here I have pictures of me and my friends at prom. Here I have my trophy I got from my solo. Here I have a picture of me and my sister. Then I have this Polaroid of me, and then I have my friends, and then my old cat named Patches. Very nice. And here I have my makeup station, which I love. I showed it in my makeup tutorial. I'm talking really fast. I'm so sorry. Here I have a star projector. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic find. Bought it on Amazon. I firmly believe that everyone should have a star projector. And then I have my rose water there. So here's this. Very nice, yes. Moving this way, let's go on to this area. So here I have my easel, and let's not get it twisted. I didn't paint this, my friend Amanda painted it for me. Subscribe to her channel, I'll link it below. Here I have a cute little jar with like all my scissors and paintbrushes and pencils and all that in it. I have my dog's collar, and here I have a Lana Del Rey poster. Under that, a picture of Harry Styles' eye, a Stevie Nicks poster, and a canvas where I painted that, but I don't really like it. Here's my record player. On it, I have Harry's vinyl currently. Here's just like some more canvases of things I've been working on or am working on. Here I have a bunch of pictures. And here is my shelf. So, here I have a picture of Stevie Nicks and like the rest of Fleetwood Mac. Here I have a Gilmore Girls picture because I love Gilmore Girls. Here I have a Blondie poster because I love Blondie. Here's like the top of my shelf. Very nice. Here I have The Sun and Her Flowers, The Chaos of Longing, and In Conclusion, Don't Worry About It by Lauren Graham because I love Gilmore Girls. So those are my reading glasses. Not my reading glasses. My everyday I can't see without them glasses. I have cactus, fake glasses, fake glasses. Then I have rose water from Aerie. Then milk and honey because are you even aesthetic if you don't have milk and honey? That's the question. A salt lamp. I have all my books here. More books here. My jewelry. A cup that my friend Danielle got me. And a picture of, oh my thumb's in the lens. A picture of me and my friend Sammy from sophomore year. Moving down here, I have all my art like stuff. So I have paints, I have Prismacolor colored pencils, I have charcoal, I have all that, and then I have 2 Peppa Pigs. Below that, I have a bag of chips, don't know why that's there, and all my vinyls. So maybe I'll do a vinyl collection if you want that, just tell me. And then I have these pictures. I love this part of my room. I think it's really cute. Moving this way, we have my bed area, which I love. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. I just want to snuggle up in there. Ugh, legendary. Here I have my backpack. Let's change, all right, my backpack. And I have 3 plants, a picture of my friends and I, another Peppa Pig, and another flower. Not flower, plant. Ugh, I can't speak. So then I have pictures, and moving on to this wall, which I love with all my heart. I'm not done with it yet. I'm going to print out more boyfriend Harry pictures and put them all up there. So, but I love it. I have pictures of One Direction. This is a Prince album. Here's Harry's lyrics. Why is something focusing today? Just a thought. Harry's lyrics. Harry's lyrics. Harry's name. Harry. My friends Sammy and I. My friends Danielle and Ashley. You know my friends from my camping vlog. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. Gilmore Girls logo. Why is nothing focusing? What the heck? Then a picture of my dad with a fish. So, let's plug this in for like a little... Alright. Cute, right? I get a lot of questions on where I got my bedding because a photo of my bed did go like kind of viral. Not like viral, but like blew up on Tumblr. It has like over 10,000 notes or whatever. And I got this from Amazon, but apparently you can buy it at IKEA too. I don't know. That's pretty much my room. So I have a balcony. Yeah. Overview of the room. Cute, right? I hope you guys liked my room tour. I talked really fast. I'm literally out of breath, but I don't know what to say to make this interesting because you're literally just looking at my room. I don't know how to make it funny. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, bye.